Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Yahoo!
You're so smart. Super. Now let's disassemble the excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Wonderful! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. You're so smart. Awesome! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Keep going. That's it. Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Great job! Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. Perfect. Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! Awesome! Now let's paint. Excellent! Yay! It works! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. That's it! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You'll solve the problem. All done. Now help to assemble excavator. I knew you could do it. Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site. you like playing with me? Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. That's great! Put a patch on it. Super duper! Perfect! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Keep going. Wonderful! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You fixed it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Excellent! Magnificent! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Circle. Triangle. Square. Heart. Yay! It works! Something is dripping here. Match the keys to the lock by size. Super! Great job, backhoe! Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going. Perfect. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! All done! Now help to assemble log loader. Wonderful! You can upgrade the vehicle! Go to the construction site.